I'm Captain Praveen, and this is my family here. We are planning for this renovation for quite some time. We bumped into Aurah Interiors, Naveen and Beauty. It just happened from the right time when we started to speak about renovation itself. They were the right people who could actually understand what were in our hearts too about the plan itself.
Actually, it was easy to communicate with them. I think they understood what we had in our mind. We basically wanted to, we didn't want to completely change our house, but we wanted to incorporate some new things into it.
Things were more dynamic, things were changing on a day-to-day basis, but then they were so very happy to accommodate each and every things which we come up on a day-to-day basis. Coming to cost, finally everything boils down to cost. And they had kept us completely aware of what to do with the costing, how when we go purchasing on specific amount of whether it is the sanitaries, the tiles, the paints or anything, whatever was in our mind was accommodated.
Yes.
And that's how we had more air, more light into this house. Now this become a home.